guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we're here at the Wilderness Resort in Wisconsin Dells. Now I'm here with my beautiful family, including Hamza. Say hi.
Hi.
And together we'll be seeing exactly what this place is about. Here's Zen. Hey Zen, say hi Zen. Hi. Now we have a variety of different activities ahead of us, as this place is not just a water park, but features even thrill rides like Take a Flight, as well as a 2-story go-kart track. Now, we'll be looking at all the fun things to do, in which if you guys wanted to learn more about them, check out their link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Woohoo! All right, so check it out. So this is their room. Overall, a pretty big size. So we actually opted in for the 2 queen beds. So this is great in terms of sleeping wise, especially if you have a family, you can go ahead and share them. And it does have a lovely view. So this here is almost like the woods view, as you can tell right here. You got nice looking trees. And then you have a great space. So you have tables to go ahead and sit on and eat. You have power outlets. You have a nice smart TV. In the middle here, you do have your USB-C port as well as a USB-B port. And then over here, we do have another cubby, so you can technically store stuff in here as well. Gave us some balloons. And then as they kind of move about, we have a miniature, like, let's say a kitchen area, I guess is the way I would look at it. So you do have a sink, coffee, and then some stools to go and sit on, as well as a sofa, TV, which is right over there. We have a microwave, so that's kind of nice too. So they do include that as well, so you can technically warm up food. We have our fridge. We have a bathroom area to go out and get ready, which includes sink. And then you do have your blow dryer. And then this here is our bathroom, looking nice, of course. So yeah, pretty decent size. And then over here we have our safe, as well as an iron board and some hangers. So yeah, overall a pretty good room. Definitely great for the size and great for a family of 5. Hi guys. All right, well, with that said, let's go ahead and check out the water park next and see what this place has to offer. So we checked out all 3 water parks, and the Wild West water park was definitely our favorite. There was a lot of different activities, from the new tube slides, mat racers, and even had a swim-up bar for adults. Now the Klondike Carvin Water Park features 65,000 square feet, featuring the Hurricane, one of our favorite rides of all. This one also had the Lazy River, giving a nice calming feel that you can go ahead and relax with the family as you go about. Alright, I'm around the Hurricane. You ready, buddy? Alright, let's do this. Woo! Here you go! Now the Wild Water Dome features the America's largest indoor wave pool. So it's a great way to go ahead and jump into the water with the family and enjoy the waves, and even features a see-through roof that bathes the entire park with natural sunlight. Up next, we checked out the Mega Prize Arcades, featuring 3 huge interactive arcades with high-tech fun and other games. up, we check out the Wilderwoods Go-Kart Trail, featuring a 2-story tall go-kart track that is over 525 foot long, giving you an adrenaline rush that you can go ahead and race with your family and friends. In terms of dining goes, they have a variety of different diner restaurants, grab-and-go eateries, and sweet and treat shops. Featuring over 29 different places to eat from, there's a lot of different options, from pizzas to tacos to even Korean barbecue. They have just about everything. Now, in terms of desserts goes, Wisconsin's well known for their chocolates, and I would definitely recommend checking those out, especially while you're here, as everything is in walking distance. Another fun feature is the Wild Abyss. This here is a mini golf course that features an aquarium. It's actually a lot of fun for the whole family. Now they also have other activities including laser tag, which is a great way to go ahead and burn off those extra calories after you eat, as it's actually a lot of fun to play. Next up is Take Flight, one of my favorite rides at this particular park, mainly because of the fact that it featured 4D effects. From lights, sounds, even smells, it literally felt like something out of an amusement park. Now, based on what time you go, they have different movies playing. We got to see Polar Express, which I definitely have to say was well worth it. All right, you guys ready? Yeah, you ready? Another thing to check out is the Wild Kids Club. It's great for toddlers as well as children, keeping them busy with a variety of different activities, from coloring to toys to even based on what time you go, they'll even have fun activities such as cookie decorating for the holidays. All right, so a nice little trick about this particular stroller that we brought, this here's the Joymor. It's actually a nice little wagon that you can technically fold up, and it's great for places like this. Anaya, you like this stroller?
Yeah.
Yeah, why do you like it?
Yeah.
It's cool, right? I mean, you can actually fit 2 kids in here, so you could technically have them sit in here just like this, and then from there you can go ahead and just stroll it about. All right, so for this purpose, I'll have Zen demonstrate. Zen, can you get out? Show me how to get out. So just like that, the kids can go ahead and hop in and hop out with ease. Now you do have the nice cover on the top allowing you to go ahead and use it for shade, and you can technically fold it up by simply putting these in, pushing this button here, and just like that, you can go ahead and fold it up and store it away. All right, well there you guys have it. We had a great time. Hamza, did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your most favorite part?
The water park.
The water park. And I have to say, yeah, overall we had a great time. There's a lot of activities to do in terms of food, dining, and arcades, even the go-karts. All of it was absolutely on point, and definitely there is a lot going on. Now, literally, you don't really have to leave this place at all. And with that said, if you guys had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.
Woohoo!